We rolled out TAG Mobi, and we purposely trained the champions first. We went through change management process steps, trained champions, rolled it out to the team, and those champions helped. TAG Mobi was a very successful rollout, and we're going to take that model. We're going to take the same approach with AI as well.
Where does it fit? Where can it improve our efficiency, our work? A lot of organizations have trouble getting the data out of their end users and technician. Often it's because getting that data into the system can be convoluted, and I think this is where agents can really help. And a perfect vision would be just having a device and then voice to text. Technician could essentially report to an AI agent in the same way that they would report to a coworker, to a foreman, to a service writer. What did I do on this work order, right? Or what happened on this work order? Some notes, some time, some spare parts. Immediately, we can see different application where we facilitate data capture and user adoption with AI agents.
But what it is doing is helping us actually do the job we're supposed to do and create more value in our positions, so that ultimately that defends kind of the opportunity that we can create for the organizations that we work for. Certain organizations I used to work for, that was literally their job. Take a bunch of folders with hen scratch from technicians and put that into a coded work order. Obviously, a lot got lost in translation. I think a lot of technicians didn't even really see where that data was going, right? And being able to be in control of that and better translate, I think that's an awesome use case that just gets me excited. And how many times I've been in sessions trying to train technicians to how to use a CMMS properly. AI helping that process would just be so useful. I wish it was available 20 years ago when I was doing that.